Last night, I went to grab dinner and watch a baseball game. I was sitting at a table and quickly found out it was trivia night. I was merged into this group of people that clearly all knew each other. Well, I was the oddball out. I felt super awkward. Now, the people were great and I had fun, but I just felt weird. Something you can't avoid no matter how hard you try is social situations. Whether you're at a party, at a grocery store, or even at work or school, you'll be socializing with people. I'm going to show you exactly how to handle these situations like a pro, so you never leave feeling awkward or uncomfortable. Hi, I'm Daniel, and I help people who feel socially anxious become more confident and build meaningful relationships with those around them. Stop checking your phone during conversations. So many people do this. Actually, at the same game last night, so many people were checking on their phone instead of paying close attention to the game and being fully present. You bought the drink, you bought the food, you're with your friends. You guys are here to watch the game, so why be on your phone? And I'm sure many of them actually missed out on the walk-off home run that happened last night. Moments like these you can never recreate. So let's try to be fully present the next time we're at a game, so we will never miss a moment like these. If you're one of those people that constantly be on their phone in a social settings, I want you to consider these things. You're only temporarily putting off your discomfort, and it comes off as rude. It shows that you don't respect others' time, which will be reciprocated in the future. Of course, if you really have to check your phone, just let them know. You have something urgent to attend to, and you have to do it promptly. If you want to come off as rude or disinterested, continue checking your phone. If not, I recommend putting it away completely. Don't ever try to dominate the conversation. You should always be a better listener than a talker. In most social situations, there's actually no benefit in dominating the conversation. And if you do tend to dominate the conversation, I'm sure that is not your intent. It's just your subconscious mind trying to give out more information than taken in. No one wants to feel dominated. We all want to be heard and seen. So next time you're in a conversation, take a step back. Let the other person speak their mind. Be fully engaged in what they have to see. So when it's your turn to speak, they will reciprocate the same attentiveness and be a good listener to hear your thoughts. Social interactions and conversations should go both ways, and it should lead to a positive outcome in terms of fostering your relationship with the people around you. Being overly critical, this was life-changing for me. I used to be very overly critical until I realized I need to keep those thoughts in my head instead of saying things out loud. You never know what others are thinking or their perception of a situation is. Being a good listener is a great way to understand them better, so we never run into a situation where you might offend people by being overly critical. Of course, being critical has a very loose definition, and there's a time and a place to bring out the heat. But in day-to-day conversation, being overly critical is not necessary. By doing these three things, you can finally feel more confident after social interactions. If you're looking for more tips on how to be more charismatic and confident, you're in the right place. Subscribe and I will see you very soon.